Hello everyone, my name is Christine Dawson and today I'll be doing homework assignment 16.911. Identify the parts of an antibody molecule. Structure of an antibody. An antibody, also known as an immunoglobulin, is a Y-shaped structure which consists of 4 polypeptides, 2 heavy chains and 2 light chains. The amino acid sequence in the tips of the Y varies greatly among different antibodies. This variable region, composed of 110 to 130 amino acids, give the antibody the specificity for binding antigen. This structure allows antibody molecules to carry out their dual function, antigen binding and biological activity mediation. There are 5 immunoglobulin classes of antibody molecules found listed: IgG, IgM, IgA, IgE, and IgD. Major hemoglobins are IgG, which is located in plasma and tissue fluid, defends against bacteria, viruses, and toxins, activates complement, also having 80% of antibodies. IgA is located in exocrine gland secretion, defends against bacteria and viruses, also having 13% of antibodies. IgM, located in plasma, reacts with antigens on some red blood cell membranes following mismatched blood transfusion. Activates complement, having 6% of antibodies. IgD is located in surface of most B lymphocytes, activates B cell activation with less than 1% of antibodies. IgE, located in exocrine gland secretion, promotes inflammation and allergic responses with less than 1% of antibodies. Antibodies react to antigens in 3 ways: direct attack on antigens, activation of complement, stimulation of local change, inflammation to help prevent spread of infection. Identify the parts of the antibody: antigen binding site, variable region, constant region. And these are my sources. Thank you.